Hello everyone, welcome to another YouTube session. Let me tell you what today is. Today is the 10th of October, which means today is World Mental Health Day. Let us learn some important things about this day and actually why do we even need this day? So the World Mental Health Day is observed on the 10th of October every year. Overall objective is to raise awareness about mental health and about mental issues around the world and to mobilize efforts in support of mental health. As you can see, the fact itself states the objective. Why do we need Mental Health Day? It is to create an awareness. We still know that there are a lot of people and a big section of the society, and that too educated section of the society, who do not give importance to mental health. Mental health is not given the equal importance as physical health is, and we definitely need to have much more awareness about it. People still sometimes confuse depression with sadness and be like, "Arey, ye to theek ho jayega. This is nothing, you will get over it." Mind it, that does not happen. You don't just get over certain things. You don't just get over depression. You just don't get over anxiety. You just don't get over your childhood fears. You need to do something about it. And that is what the World Mental Health Day aims at doing. Creating effort, mobilizing effort in support of mental health. The day provides an opportunity for all the stakeholders to work on mental health. So all those people who have given some kind of contribution, any kind of contribution, doctors, engineers, it doesn't matter the profession. Any person who has done something or given something or just made some kind of contribution towards mental health, it gives them an opportunity to talk about it all. It gives them an opportunity to speak it out. It gives them an opportunity to create awareness. You will ask me that why do we even need a day called the World Mental Health Day? What is the need of it? We have to understand that there's still a lot of stigma attached to mental health. People still confuse depression with sadness. People still confuse anxiety with madness. So that is why we need to create awareness. We need to make people aware. We need to make people count on certain things. We need, just like we are so aware that we have fever and we can take a paracetamol, we should be aware of our mental issues also. We should be aware of our cognitive experiences. We should be aware of our mental processes. We should be aware of our experiences and what is happening, what is exactly going on in our mind. And unless and until we create awareness, the stigma will always remain. Creating awareness. In the beginning of the session only, I told you that creating awareness is one of the major objectives of World Mental Health Day. Because unless and until we make people aware about it, things are never going to change. It is still going to remain the same. People are still going to confuse sadness with depression, which is not the point. And that is why we need to make people aware of all of these issues and that how important mental health is and that it should not be just shunned down. Normalizing mental issues. Mental issues, just as I told you, has a stigma attached and sometimes they're not seen in a very normal way. People are judged, people are ridiculed, people have been called names because they're suffering from some kind of mental issues, and parents usually take it in a very bad stride that they have not been able to bring up their children in a good environment or have not done what they should be doing because the child is suffering from any kind of mental issue. We need to normalize it. Just as normal as a fever is, sometimes mental issues, mental health should also be that normal. Getting rid of the myths around it. Now, mental health has a lot of myths around it. A lot and lot and lot. Everyone has a new suggestion. You tell them something and they come up with something like this. Oh, you can do this and you'll get over it. Oh, you can do this and you'll get over it. Alright? Suffering from anxiety? Just breathe. I'm sorry, that is not how it works. Sometimes your mental issues can be so strong that you might need therapy. And sometimes you might also need a psychiatrist. And that is why we need to create awareness so that we can get rid of all the myths which surround it. The kind of environment we live in these days, it is the need of the hour. The kind of competitive world that we live in, the kind of environment that we live in, the kind of pressures that we deal with on a daily basis, especially children, the kind of things children are seeing these days on a daily basis. I think mental health has become much more important today than it ever was. What is the relevance this year? इस साल के लिए वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे, why is this so important this year? This year, this day has a special place. Why? Our daily lives have changed. We are no longer going out, meeting our friends, talking, chilling, hanging out. Special challenges have come up, especially for the frontline workers. They're working 24/7 away from their families, do not have any support, and sometimes government also is not supporting. People are suffering from all sorts of anxiety and depression, and hence this year, this day has a special relevance, and that is why we need to take this day very seriously, not just this year, but every year. Because mental health will always have some challenges, be it COVID-19 or anything else. Your small issues can also become challenges, and hence, let's take a pledge this year, this World Mental Health Day, that we will take care of what is here. We will take care, we'll nurture it, and we'll protect it. Thank you.